Yeah, okay. So let's get started. We're already a little ways into this, so this is in the add directory also works called workspace. I just called it workspace. Um, we have cargo tomo, and that contains the members, and these are the different workspaces in this. Okay, and then if we go, and what it does is it all shares a single build directory. Cargo will automatically set. There should be like a way. This yeah, surely cargo init workspace is. Surely there's actually like a. Okay. So cargo by providing utilities to version posted. So let's do this. Cargo install cargo dash workspaces. Should have looked at this before stream, so I didn't have to compile it much. Install on stream, and when you install something via cargo, it it downloads and compiles it. It downloads the source and compiles that. Reason being, I believe, is simply like for libraries and whatnot. Okay, so city. And so what we would do is we'd make the directory workspaces, right? And then we will do like something like cargo workspace init, init workspaces, something like that. Of course, that won't work until this is done building, and that might take a while. Okay, and that's it. So CD programming, Rust, learning Rust, CD Rust book, check 14 workspaces clear. So if I go, cargo workspace init, and that should just do it in the current directory ls, and yeah, that sets up the cargo tomo. Right, so I would do vi good city workspaces, yeah, like this, right? And like in chapter 12, we built a package that included planner crate and library crate. As our project develops, you might find that the library crate continues to get bigger, and you want to split up your crate further into multiple library crates. In this situation, Cargo offers a feature called Workspaces that can help manage multiple related packages that are developed in tandem. A workspace is a set of packages that share the same cargo lock and output directory. Let's make a project using a workspace. We'll use trivial code so we can concentrate on the structure of the workspace There are multiple ways to structure a workspace. We're going to show one common way. We'll have a workspace containing a binary and two libraries. The binary will provide the main functionality. The binary which provide the main functionality will depend on the two libraries. One library will provide an add one function, and the second library will add an add two function. These three crates will be part of the same workspace. We'll start by creating a new directory for the workspace. Okay, yeah, that's that reason, and then did that right, and add a binary crate by going cargo ws help create. Wait, okay, let me just wait, what? Do I have to like do capitals with this? Seriously? Create. Okay, how do we use this? Create. Oh, right. We do s help create, and then the path. So, cargo ws create, and then the path, and then that's just gonna be adder, I believe. Yeah. Brucey, come here. Right, and then remove crate. Editor. Binary crate. 2018. ls adder. And yeah, okay, so you provide the directory and then the crate, and then the crate name is the config stuff in the toml, I'm assuming. So so we can go cargo build. Cat cargo.toml. Do I still have okay. Okay, so fortunately we have to do this bit ourselves, which is like that doesn't seem like a hard thing to add, does it? Wait, did I do that in this? Yes, I did. Oops. Quit. N, no, was it? Okay. Okay, it updates like that. Okay, so let me just cargo build. Yeah, okay, it works now. I do kind of want to like make this one. Oh no. Did this like completely? Oh no. Okay, just how to do that. Wait, what? That is a very weird way, like, to do that. Okay. Kind of want this. What should I do? I'll leave it. I cannot decide on anything. Okay, so... Oh wait, right, and then like, there should be like a cargo.walk file there as well. Yeah, cargo.walk right there. Is it like a, question mark? Question mark? So, create a new binary. Workspace has one target directory at the top level for the compiled artifacts. I'm just going to open up a file real quick. There we go. I don't want it to keep doing that at the start. Why? I don't like that. Okay. Anyway, I'll just ignore it for now. What? What? Oh, okay. Blah blah blah, cargo from inside the editor. The workspace has one target directory at the top level for the compiled artifacts to be placed into the editor package. The editor package doesn't have its own target directory. Even if we were to run cargo build from inside editor directory, the compiled artifacts will still end up in add target rather than editor target. Cargo structures the target directory in a workspace like this because the crates in a workspace are meant to depend on each other. If a crate had its own target directory, each crate would have to recompile each of the other crates in the workspace to have the artifacts in its own target directory. By sharing one target directory, the crates can avoid unnecessary rebuilding. Creating the second package in the workspace. Add it, and then add one. Yeah, just add one. Blop, name of crate, add one. One. What? Add one. Add one is a library crate. 2018. Yay! Oh, this. Okay, if I go cat, it still doesn't do that for you. That sucks. I have to do that myself. No, not that. There we go. Let me refresh. And we have an N one. Just like that. Way. Woo. Okay. Wow. Okay. Okay. What was that? Okay. So, the create the same package, the lib file, blah blah blah. Let's add an add in the add one source lib. Let's add a function called add one. Who would have guessed? Okay. Okay, pub fn add underscore one, boo, one, x, I32, and it would return in I32, blop, blop, okay, up please, thank you, and it's just x plus 1. Actually, what, why is that do it like that? Also, like, what's the, okay, let me just move both of these outside of that, and then, oh, yeah, that's why I'm dumb. Anyway, this does not look any better, but like I think it'll be easier for me to focus on my code this way. I'm annoyed that I can't have. Well, there are plugins for like Vim, like key bindings. I've tried them. They're all shit. They're terrible. Anyway. Now that we have another package for us, with our binary depend on them. Wait, first we'll need to add a path dependency on add1 to adder. Wait, what? Find it. Oh, so because they are separate projects, you can like access another project, but you have to provide a path. Okay. That makes sense. Um, uh, add, add one equals, pop path, go up one, and then we want, wait, that's just, that gives us to adder. Oh, in the cargo.toml. Duh, I'm dumb. Okay, in the, oh, in adder cargo.toml, we want to add, I'm assuming it's in dependencies, add one, equals the path, equals the string of go up one, want add one, just like that, and that adds, yeah, okay, yeah, that makes a lot of sense. You can do a similar thing in Gradle and whatnot. Cargo doesn't assume that crates in a workspace will depend on each other, so we need to be explicit about the dependency relationships between the crates. Now let's use the add1 function from the add1 crate in the adder crate open. Oh, that's a mouthful. Let's use the add1 function from defined in the add1 crate. Let's use the add1 function from the add1 crate in the adder crate. Oh, say that 3 times fast. Oh yeah, of course, we have to use, add, add one. Oh, it just like adds that entire crate, like as part of, or like by default in the, so that means we automatically like have access to the root stuff as long as it's public. So if I wanted to add structure to this, I would have to do, modules and so on. What do you mean? Use add one. I have a feeling you're not going to say the same thing like once I okay, so let num, let's say like 10, and then we're gonna print print on plus 1 is So, cock command rust analyzer dot do like a reload rust analyzer real quick, see if that fixes this issue. It does! Yay! Add one. Wait, what? Add one. Wait, what? Oh, it adds it as a crate. Okay.
Cancer sucks.
Add one. Okay.
And when your mum or dad has
That's
cancer, life can get really tough. Sure, you've got friends and family who try to support you, but they don't always know what you're really going through. But we do. Canteen is here for young people who have a parent with cancer. Whether it's chatting to a counsellor or another young person in the same boat. Take off your brave face.
That's
Head to canteen.org.au.
odd.
Canteen. Cancer support made stronger.
Black Friday is coming early at eBay with exclusive
Cannot
offers for eBay Plus
find
at the start
function
of November
add one
15th.
in
Don't wait, get in early for blowout
crate
deals on some of
add
the most sought after
one.
brands.
Why?
Exclusive to eBay Plus.
It's
Click
right
or tap the
here.
banner to learn more.
Just do that. It is literally right there. Oh look, wait, did it solve? Look at that, it solved itself. I don't know why. I think I just like had to like go over to the file while Rust and after I reloaded Rust because it didn't actually know the contents of the file. That's why. I'm assuming. That's the reason why. Blah 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 blah. Yeah. We use the function. Let's build the workspace by running cargo build. Oh, I would not have thought of that. Cargo builder. Hey, look, it worked. Yay. Who would have guessed? Okay. Blah blah blah. To run this by from the add directory, let's specify which package in the workspace. Okay, so when you go cargo run, right, you can specify the package that you're running specifically. Okay. But we are. Oh, okay, I just have to like remove the slash because I put a directory there, but it's not asking for a directory, it's asking for the name of the actual package, the Rust package. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Ooh. Okay, ooh, would you look at that? So many viewers, wow. I'm so popular, yay. Okay, depending on an external package in our workspace. Note that the workspace has only one cargo file at the top of rather than having a cargo log in each crate structure. Ensures that all crates are using the same version of all dependencies. If we add the RAN crate to adder and add one files, cargo will resolve both of those to one version of RAN and record that in the one cargo log, making all crates in the workspace use the same dependencies, meaning that crates and workspaces will always be compatible with each other. And that's good use for workspaces. It's because Rust will automatically make them compatible. In terms of each individual package in the workspace is directory. It shows the packages dependencies in the workspace. Um, okay, we're actually going to do it. Let's see, in add one, cargo.tomo. Rand equals 0.8.3. You can now add userand to the add one lib file. Bring okay. You wait, what? Why was I down here? Use rand. Problem solved. Yeah, we get an error. Blah 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 blah. Cargo build. I can spell. I can type too. Didn't you know? Blah 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 blah. Yeah, we get warning. Oh, oops. We get. Oh, I have to go all the way down here again. Where is it? There it is. The top level cargo log now contains information about dependencies of add1 and of add1 on rand. However, even though rand is used somewhere in the workspace, we can't use it in other crates in the workspace unless we add rand to their cargo.tom files as well. Okay. So doing this, like what I could literally create an entire create a workspace and I can create an entire package to add basically a wrapper over existing dependencies and then access through that without completely removing the ability to access to the lower level dependencies of said libraries. So basically, I could redo a library's public interface as well as add additional functionality for convenience. That's convenient. Yay. To fix this, you just add it to the. I have to keep forgetting to switch. Blah 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 blah. Rand equals. What was the version we used? 0.8.3. Of course. Why wouldn't we? It's the only version you can ever use. Blah 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 blah.
Graduation isn't my only goal. It's where my startup starts and my dream job becomes my real life. That's why I learned with Chegg. They've got my back at every step
Add
of the
a
journey,
test to
making sure
a
I've always
workspace.
got the study help I need,
Okay.
so I stay on the path to where I want to go.
Subscribe to Chegg and we'll help guide you from the first
test.
day through your final exam. With
Wait.
24/7 expert student support,
FN.
affordable
It's
textbooks, and real Chegg. Learn
it
there's no
works.
limit to
What a very detailed test,
Black
guys.
Friday is coming early at
You've
eBay
never
with
seen
exclusive
a
offers for
test
eBay
more
Plus
complex
starting
than this,
November 15th.
right?
Don't wait, get in early
Just
for
watch
blowout deals on
this
some of the most
amazing
sought-after brands, exclusive to eBay Plus.
this.
Click or tap the banner to learn more.
Right, and then I'm assuming if we run cargo test, it will test all the packages. It have failed. Wait, what? Oh, duh. Put the wrong number there. Wait, did I just? Oh yeah, okay, yeah, that's just that same error. Test. Yay! It all passed. Woohoo! noticing that no one seems to be chatting. It appears I am back around my CA. What was it right? Oh yeah. Blah 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 blah. Version of that shows that it works test in at 1 crate plus the next section shows 0 tests were found in attic crate. The last shows 0 document tests were found in at 1 crate. Running cargo test in a workspace structure like this will run the test for all crates in a workspace. You can also run tests for a particular workspace by specifying the particular crate by using the package flag. Okay. This output shows cargo test. Yeah. Okay. Moving on. Installing binary. Okay. Yeah. Already know how to do that. Did it earlier. Extend cargo with custom commands. Cargo is designed so you can extend it with new subcommands. I am bleh. Clear. Right, okay. Cargo is designed so you can extend it with new subcommands without having to modify cargo. If a binary in your path is named cargo something, you can run it as if it was a cargo subcommand. Oh, so that's how that works. So you just do cargo dash the stuff, right? And it's pretty much and that itself is a binary file that you would run as a command. That file itself is an executable file that you would hydrated. It's an actual executable file that itself is a command line interface CLI, and cargo will through cargo it will automatically find that stuff. Custom commands like this are also listed when you run cargo list. Okay, cargo list. Commands. I didn't see where's workspace? I didn't see a workspace. Oh, it is right there. Workspace and WS. Okay. Wait. Oh, I'm on to chapter 15 now.